All right, my man Nick, also in from New York. You're in from the Hamptons. So you came with Tommy today,
Yes.
okay? And you're basically going to be running the detailing shop. Okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
I will.
Well, yeah. You learned a lot this weekend. So what you learned on Friday, the business and marketing class, do you feel that's going to help you?
Of course, yeah. Get more people around the neighborhood to come by and get some detailing done.
And obviously, we had one component of Friday was upselling and cross selling. So you can upsell and cross sell other services like ceramic coatings. Do you feel that you're now more confident to be able to do that?
Of course, yeah. Everything I learned this past 3 days, I think I'll be able to run a good business.
Excellent. Exterior training on Saturday with the caddy. Did a great job on that. Are you now more confident using a polisher?
Of course, yeah.
Did a great, and the ceramic coating. Now you know how to do ceramic
Yes,
coatings.
sir.
And what about today? Today was the interior training day.
Oh, it was amazing. I had never done it before. A new experience for me. Learned a lot, and I really appreciate everybody here who helped out, and I'm happy to be here.
You did a great job, man. You are now Details are certified and Jade Ceramic Coating certified. Congratulations, you did a great job, Nick.